While there are thousands of different items that can be recyclable, the majority essentially boil down to 5 materials: plastic, paper, cardboard, glass, and metal. Today, we're going to be taking a look at what's special about these materials and how they should be recycled, and anything you should be looking out for. The first material we're going to be looking at is plastic. Now, plastic is everywhere, and this is fine. However, plastic takes thousands of years to biodegrade, meaning it stays in the environment, harming wildlife, the planet, and eventually us. This is why it's important to recycle plastic. But it's not that easy, because plastic has many forms which are represented in the form of numbers from 1 through 7. And while some are recyclable, others aren't. But it gets worse. Different recycling facilities have different guidelines for which numbers they accept. For example, numbers 1 and 2 are recycled by all facilities, and the other numbers can differ based on where you live. Always check out our app to find out how to recycle any plastic item. The second material is going to be metal. Metal is commonly found in places such as soda cans and aluminum foil. However, a very interesting aspect of metal is that it can be recycled infinitely. This is because, unlike other materials such as plastic and paper, metal doesn't lose its quality and degrade when it's recycled. Thus, there's no reason to not recycle metal. Also, metal is one of the more expensive materials on this list, meaning you could get a decent amount of money for recycling a metal item. For example, a soda can get you around 10 cents. Now, the next material we're going to be looking at is paper. While you likely use sheets of paper daily, paper is more commonly used in containers such as coffee cups. However, these containers usually have plastic linings and are stained with food or drink, causing them to not be recyclable. These plastic linings account for less than 5% of the cup, but with it the paper cannot be turned into pulp. A good check for if something has a plastic lining is if it looks shiny or feels very smooth. Recycling paper reduces the need to cut down virgin trees, thus keeping the air cleaner as well. Now on to cardboard. Cardboard is light yet sturdy, which allows it to be used for packaging, which is great because it's completely recyclable. However, cardboard is also commonly used in pizza boxes, which leads to grease-coated cardboard that is in no way recyclable but can be composted. One thing to remember about cardboard is that you should always try to flatten it before recycling to save space in your bin and help out your recycling facility. Cardboard boxes can also be reused for fun projects, storage, or any other creative uses you might think of. And now our final material is glass. Like metal, glass can be recycled infinitely. However, there are some municipalities that don't recycle this material, so always check with them first. Also, it might be better to reuse glass items as they are easy to clean and rather durable. This is why a great step towards going zero waste is buying reusable glass items such as mason jars, glass plates, glass cups, etc. Alright, so those were the 5 materials that you should be looking out for when you recycle. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comment section down below, and we will see you guys in the next video.